Take a ride in the 2016 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, security system, CD player, rear window defroster, power windows, electronic stability control. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.